Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. If you're new here and if you are not, my sugar farm, welcome again to another video. This is another mukbang with my boys, mommy and the boys. We are doing a challenge, a pick and eat challenge. Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Francis and this is my brother. Pretty good.
Hello, I am Fala, Java Master.
Okay, here's how it's gonna work. One of us has to pick a paper from the bowl. If we pick eat, then we can eat whatever is on the table. If we pick empty, then the person
has to watch who is eating. Yes. Is that what I'm trying to say? Yes. That's how it works, guys. So this is our paper that I've wrote here. So it's the paper contains it and and a blank paper. If I pick it, you will eat. If you pick empty, you are not eating. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so let's go. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you see my face for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and let's sugar let's sugar together. Okay, what is
Please
let's sugar together.
Stop doing that. It's very, very embarrassing. Very, very embarrassing.
Yes, sugar together. So guys, let's go. Let's go ahead and pick. Pick first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I did all use. I know all of your moves. There's no
paper, scissors, shoot. So Mola is picking last. Yeah, sit down.
Hey, I'm first.
You're first. Pick now. I'm picking. Pick.
What? I'm not supposed to.
You are picking. Just like if you pick empty, you're not going to eat. That's just it. You are picking. Pick one. Everybody should open.
Okay.
You pick empty, you're not eating. What did you pick?
No fair!
Well, I pick it. Show them, show people what you pick. Empty. Me too, I'm not eating. What did you have?
I got
Eat. Good job. Yeah. We are gonna now. Let's do the one we picking. Let's drop it. Drop it on this place. Yeah. So guys, I didn't introduce our food before we started. So we have chicken. The chicken thigh, chicken wings. We have salmon fish here. Then we have fried rice with coleslaw. Then we have
shrimp.
Jollof fries. Yes, shrimp. Yeah, and jollof fries. We have it here too. So this is our juice. This juice now, if you are lucky, you are part of the eating. You can drink the juice. If you are not, you are drinking water. That's how it works. Right? So Fola is my second son's name. So you have already. He pick it, so both of us we watch the one eat for 2 minutes.
But my real name is Adi, so don't even think that my name is Francis because it's not my name.
It's your name.
No, it's not.
Come on, let's do this. We are starting at 3:33, so it's going to stop at 3:35.
Oh, 3:35.
We are using 2 minutes. Yeah, it's just. Eat anything you want to eat.
I'm just gonna enjoy.
Go ahead and eat. Eat anything you want to eat.
You have 1 more minute. So make it count. Can you go wash my work here?
Wait, chicken.
Hey, God, for the liver. Jesus.
Don't choke.
I'm not going to talk.
Don't choke now. Calm down.
This boy, he's on shit. Seriously, what kind of is that?
Let him eat.
Okay.
Oh my God.
It's time.
1 more minute, 30 more seconds. We are watching.
He's over. It's over.
Okay.
It's over. Yeah, come on.
Okay, let's
So guys, that's the first round. We are going again to go and pick. Everybody's going to pick again.
And if all of it is finished.
Pick. Better pick it this time.
I'm starving.
Hold on. Let me pick mine.
Okay.
You are too.
Please, God, please.
I don't even know.
Oh yeah, open. Everybody should open. Come on, I pick it.
Yes, I picked nothing.
You are starting. Falatu, you pick nothing. I'm the only one eating.
No, I can't see it. Where is it?
Nothing is there. Nothing is there. That means you are not eating.
Mom, we are
anything.
starting at 3:35. We're gonna end at 3:37.
Okay.
Just be aware.
What?
I'm starving.
The one that we were eating.
Both of you are eating. I'm cutting zero.
That's your luck.
Just my luck. Just my luck.
I know you don't like fried rice.
Yeah, I don't I know fried rice. Who do
I know.
that? No. Jollof rice is the one I hate.
All the shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp.
What's the time? 36?
Yes.
See,
Oh.
just
One last minute.
1 more minute.
Come on.
One more minute. 30 seconds.
Come on. It's time. Time's up. Time's up.
Time's up.
Finally, let's do it
I have
again.
to drink water. I can't drink water. Okay.
You have juice or water.
Oh yeah. Pick. But that pick it now. If you pick no, that's your own. No. Oh yeah. Take one.
Wait, don't open it yet.
Oh yeah, what should open now? I pick nothing. Thank God. You are so there.
I did one too.
I pick nothing.
I have it too.
Eat, people.
Wait,
That's fine. So yeah, mommy did not pick anything. So both of you are eating.
Finally! This is good.
I got mine.
Not anymore.
So, no.
Yeah, 39. No, 31. Sorry, 39. Let me check. You already have 38. Blood pressure. Hey, 38.
I'm gonna drink my juice.
This time is not going. Why? The time is so slow. The time is so slow. The time is slow.
It's on.
Oh yeah, it's time. It's time. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
I want to drink.
No. You cannot drink. It's okay. Oh yeah. Let's go again. Calm down. I'm picking first. I don't want to do. Oh yeah. Yeah, pick. Let's open. Thank God. I'm eating.
I'm eating too.
We are not eating.
All of us now. All of us.
I want to drink water first.
Drink water. Okay, mommy, what's that? What's good for the water? Mommy, powers. But when I looked at it, when it was not my turn, when I looked at it, it's like when I picked one, I got it immediately. I thought I was going to get empty.
Now taking time. Udoro? Okay, no 1 minute. 1 minute. Drink water.
Oh my god. Over.
Timer.
Over.
So guys, this is the last pick. We don't know if we are going to eat again or one or two of us are gonna win. Eat rather. So guys, come on. I'm picking as your mother.
That's just unfair.
Okay.
Ha.
I may not. It's gonna be empty. It's gonna be empty.
How do you know it's gonna be empty?
Okay, let's open.
Open.
I was so.
I got it.
What? Ah, I'm not eating.
I'm eating too.
Only you eating? Are you kidding me?
Hey!
God, why? Okay, we started at
Okay.
8:42 and at 8:44. Use your time wisely.
Fela eat a lot, so
Oh my God, this is
all what you
unfair.
pick is eating, and eating.
I know.
Okay.
Come on, I couldn't have gotten. Hey, I got eat. I get to eat this time. No, I don't.
We are gonna eat after everybody just have to eat because I'm starving too.
Mommy, I want to eat everything on this plate. Everything.
After this, I'm not going to eat. It's more. Wait, how many times have I not eaten?
Oh, you have 1 more minute left.
What?
How about last minute? 1 more minute is over. Get in.
I'm going to use my time wisely.
God.
Cheating.
Why? No fair.
Fela, you really enjoy yourself, bro.
Mm-hmm.
This is not fair. I wanted to eat.
Your time is ending in 3, 2, and 1. And
Oh yeah, that's enough. So
Okay,
guys, we are gonna eat now. We've come to the end of the end of the picking time, end of the challenge. Okay,
these guys are going straight to the trash.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you. I don't want the video to be too long. I will have been like, okay, let me do it 3 minutes. We hit 3 minutes, but I don't want to be too long. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and let's work. Let's sugar together. Come on, tell them to work.
Okay, subscribe and like and comment if you want to see more videos like this.
Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.